Hey guys, Summer here, and today we're just going to do some simple Dollar Tree sign upgrades using our Cricut. All right, let's get crafty, y'all. All right, guys, we're going to start off with the chalkboard sign. I initially started off by taping on the inside. That way I won't get the paint board all painted on. And this is where you get to be creative in your color schemes. You can paint it, black, white, orange, purple, whatever suits your need. And I went ahead and I painted mine orange, as you can see. And I sped this up so you didn't have to watch me paint very slowly. And then here I went ahead and I reverse weeded this design. That just sounds funny. I don't know why. Sometimes you just say a word and it just sounds silly. But what I did is I put it on the chalkboard, and then I went in and I slowly weeded every little piece because it is such an intricate design. It took a little time, so go slowly. And like you seen right there, I just cut off a piece. So just move slow or you will lose little bitty strings of vinyl. All right, so I'm going to let you see how this turned out, and it is adorable, styled on a tiered tray. I did a small tiered tray to kind of give it that hocus pocus vibe with my little cauldron candle. Is anybody else ready for Hocus Pocus 2? Let me know in the comments. All right, moving on to our second one. It's going to be the little tiered tray house. That's what I call it, tiered tray house, from Dollar Tree as well. And this is simple, but elegant to me. It just says 31st of October, and it's got the little webbing. So I did the exact same thing where I reverse weeded a lot of it, especially in between the webbing and the wording. I tried to do the webbing, but it started pulling. So take your time again, move slowly, and look how classic and beautiful this looks. You're gonna see it zoomed out in just a second. And look at that cute tiered tray ghost. Oh, my favorite cup of the year. All right, craft number 3. It's gonna be a double-sided sign. So the fall signs that you get from the Dollar Tree, they what do they slide out? Like I don't know what they're called. Like the store signs. That's what I call it. Anyway, so I went ahead and I did the reverse side on the chalkboard side because I never seem to use it. So I figured might as well make a double sign. And this is a warning witch property sign. I am getting ready for my Hocus Pocus premiere party with this. And it's so stinking cute. Again, a little classy upgrade without it being overdone. All right, and for another one of the signs, the exact same kind of sign, I'm gonna go in with the Halloween words, the classic ones. And I went with the candy corn theme, so I went with the orange, the yellow, and the white. And I worked with the only orange I had, but it still turned out very cute. And this would be great on the front porch or, just next to your TV stand or a fireplace if you have a fireplace with the wood surrounding layer. What is that? What's that called? You know what I'm talking about. I hope you know. Anyway, so this would be cute styled on there. Maybe some fall flowers or leaves like I have here. I don't have a fireplace, so I styled it with my ghost and my pumpkins. And yes, so cute. All right, so moving on to a tag sign. Now, this is cute. This is where you can get creative on your own as well. Obviously all of them you can. But what I did is I wanted it to be a little cute little ghost thing. It says, "Hey Boo." I love this. I wanted to incorporate this somewhere. And then I used this iridescent orange one because it was the only leftover orange I had. So that's what I went with. But it was also very cute. And then I just made a simple little bow to go on top of it and added a cat charm. And then I styled it right on my coffee table with my black Halloween tree. It turned out really, really cute. All right, moving on to our next design. It's going to be a broom parking sign, as you will. This would be cute to do with the kids to kind of let them have fun with it. I just wanted a little thing to kind of go with the Witches Hocus Pocus theme, and I kind of wanted to use this sign, and this is what I came up with. But yeah, I just used this cute little SVG from Tay's side as well, and I used on the brooms, I wanted it to match, excuse me if I could talk, the 3 witches from Hocus Pocus. So I found 3 vinyls that were the exact same color, my orange, my purple, and my green. And then I just painted this little box from Dollar Tree as well. I just painted it black to match the sign. And then I took these 3 brooms that I, again, got from Dollar Tree, and I changed out their bows to match the brooms as well. And then I, of course, added these little bats on there. And that pumpkin that's on there is actually a window cling that I just glued on there. And it's just a cute little place to store your brooms. And you can see it better there with the other signs. Is that not just, it's just a cute little design. All right, so now we're gonna go into our Halloween countdown. I took another pumpkin sign. I put this adorable SVG on there to kind of give it that countdown vibe with the cat, black cat, and the moon and everything. And then what you're gonna see next is I'm gonna go in and I'm going to take the ghosts that you get from Dollar Tree that you can make garlands out of or whatever else right there. And so then I just painted those white. And then I took some of my stickers that I had, I numbered them. One side's gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3, and you only have to use 1 on that, or front and back, 3 ghosts, and then the rest you're gonna 0 to 9. And then you're gonna take these Dollar Tree self-adhesive square ones that have the little hook on it, because that's what fit. And then I went in and I tied some jute string on top of the ghost where the hole is. For some reason, I don't know where that footage went. I apologize, but it's really easy. You just tie it on there. And then I just added this cute little countdown to my little spooky area. It just is so cute and just gives that little extra touch that I love. All right, guys, well, now we're gonna go into our very last DIY, and it is a napkin sign. So with this, you're gonna take one of those Dollar Tree signs. You're gonna just take the backing off. They have no glass on there, and I'm gonna save you some time. Just rip the paper off and paint it, because I tried to paint it and it bubbled up and was not good. So then once it's dry, you're gonna go in with some Mod Podge. You're gonna take that, put it over there. And if you've seen before, I took the backing off of that napkin that also came from Dollar Tree as well. So once you apply the Mod Podge, I know I say it incorrectly sometimes, you're going to put the napkin on there. Take it, smooth it out as much as you can without tearing it or wrinkling it. And I went ahead and put Mod Podge over it as well. You can let it dry and then apply it over top, but I did that and it's fine. Now, this next part, I'm going to tell you now, please be careful with fire. Don't play with fire. Don't burn anything down. So, as you see, I got a bucket so I could put it over it. But as long as you burn it while the Mod Podge is still wet, you're going to be fine. It'll go out. And then I just put it right back in the black little frame. And then I took this antiquing leaf chrome, I don't know the exact wording, I don't remember. If I see it, I'll put it in the description below, because it is from Amazon and I got like a 3-pack of them. So I just took that, put a very dab, because a little goes a long way, on there, and I actually put it all around the frame first, and then I added just a tiny bit on top of the picture just to kind of make it look more like aged and antique. Y'all, this turned out way better than I ever expected. Try it, you'll love it. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching and sticking around. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.